class/program is a group for advanced 8th graders, and we take a math and physics class every morning around 7 a.m. And first we either have math or physics, and then we rotate with the other half of the students in the program. The program is mixed with all the different schools in Berwyn, the public schools. So there's Lincoln, Heritage, Freedom, and George Washington, which is also pretty cool because you get to meet all these new people before you go into the big high school.
Being able to meet new people from different schools, that way you know someone when you come to Morton, and also learning these new concepts that you wouldn't learn at your other middle schools. Sometimes it's challenging, but it's rewarding.
Well, what we learned is we were learning about speed and velocity. So we had to calculate when to release our car to get it to the end at the same time as the control car. I would definitely recommend the program because the teachers are very nice, and they will help you if you need any help with anything. It seems very daunting at first, and you won't really want to go, but eventually you'll just be able to learn it all, and they can explain it in a way that you can understand it.
I hope you accept the challenge.
See you next year!